Let's go over how to restore your electronic deadbolt to factory settings. In the event your deadbolt fails to operate properly, restoring it to factory settings will alleviate most problems. Step 1. Remove one battery. Step 2. Press and hold the red set button while you reinsert the battery, and do not release the red set button until the beeping stops. Step 3. Now that it's restored to factory settings, enter the default programming code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the electronic deadbolt will take it from there.